This is a logical flaw question and we have to find out the flaw in the reasoning. The conclusion is that a cow that produces 9 gallons per day 2 months after the birth of its calf, in such a cow the rate of increase in milk production has been below average. The missing link is between cows after 2 months of their calf's birth generally producing 10 gallons of milk per day and the conclusion that a particular cow that produces only 9 gallons per day after the same amount of time, in such a cow the rate of increase in milk production is below average. Our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is that it indicates that the terms rate of increase over a time period is not the same as production quantum at a particular point in time. Let's look at the answer choices in this context. Answer choice A, the argument makes no suggestion regarding the value of a dairy cow. Also, this answer choice makes no suggestion about the rate of increase in milk production of a cow. So this answer choice is just a statement of fact and does not indicate the flaw in the argument. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B. This answer choice talks about some cows producing 12 gallons of milk per day 2 months after the calf's birth. The argument mentions that the average is 10 gallons of milk per day 2 months after the calf's birth. So it is possible that some cows actually produce more, that is 12 gallons of milk per day after 2 months. So this answer choice is consistent with the passage but makes no suggestion regarding the rate of increase in milk production. So this answer choice doesn't indicate the flaw in the argument. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C. The average increase in milk production is not synonymous with the average volume of milk produced. Yes, the passage talks about the volume of milk produced, that is 10 gallons of milk per day at a particular point in time, that is 2 months after the calf's birth, whereas the conclusion is about the rate of increase in milk production, which is over a period of time. So these terms, the rate of increase and the volume of milk production, are not the same terms, and that is exactly the flaw in the argument. So this answer choice correctly identifies the flaw. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice D. Below average does not necessarily connote insufficiency. The argument makes no suggestion regarding insufficiency, and this answer choice makes no suggestion regarding the rate of increase in milk production. So this answer choice is just additional clarification and does not indicate the flaw in the argument. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E. Some cows produce 9 gallons of milk per day immediately after the birth of its calf. The passage says that 10 gallons is the average milk production. So it is possible that some cows produce 9 gallons. Also, this answer choice talks about milk production immediately after the birth of the calf, whereas the argument is concerned with milk production 2 months after the calf's birth. Further, this answer choice simply talks about some cows and hence is limited in scope. Overall, this answer choice does not indicate the flaw in the argument. So let's eliminate this answer choice. C is the correct answer choice.